Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can completely factory reset your Ultimate Ears WONDERBOOM speaker. This will work for other WONDERBOOM models as well. So this will be useful if you're selling it or passing it on to someone else, or if it's got problems and you're wondering if a factory reset would fix it. So right now we're connected to this phone here. You can see WONDERBOOM in blue. It's actually connected right now. You have to make sure that the speaker is on. So if it's off, turn it on, and then when it's on, we need to hold down this button here and also the volume down button for 5 seconds. It will give you a notification sound, then it will give you another sound. That's when you're going to let go of them. So right now I'm going to hold down this one and this one. Now you can tell that they're held down because you can feel a little click. You have to press them quite hard. There we go, that's the two sounds. Now let go, and you will see that the speaker is off. That's it, it's now been reset. If we turn it on, you will see now that this is the same as turning it on for the very first time. Can you see it's in pairing mode? And if I was just to tap WONDERBOOM here, because it's already in the phone's memory, you will see that it's asking to pair again, so it's disconnected it from the phone. Press pair. And there we go, we're now connected up again. So if you're having problems, hopefully that's fixed it. If you're just selling it on, then obviously don't reconnect it to your phone. Just box it up after it's turned itself off, and that will be reset. Thanks for watching.